Today, we're going to talk about something that powers a crucial part of our lives, batteries. But not just any batteries, we're focusing on the heart of your motorcycle, the battery that keeps it running smoothly. Let's face it, nobody wants to be stranded with a dead battery. That's why the warranty on your battery is more than just a piece of paper. It's a promise, a commitment to quality, and a lifeline in times of need. A good warranty not only assures you of a reliable product, but it also provides peace of mind. And that's where Banshee Batteries comes into the picture. At Banshee, we're not just selling batteries. We're offering reliability, endurance, and trust. Our AGM motorcycle batteries are designed with the latest technology to ensure your bike is always ready to hit the road. But here's the best part. Banshee Batteries offers the longest warranty in the industry for AGM motorcycle batteries, a whopping 4 years. Yes, you heard that right. 4 years of guaranteed performance and support. Why do we offer such a long warranty? Because we believe in our product's durability and your right to a hassle-free riding experience. Our batteries are tested rigorously to withstand various conditions, ensuring that they don't just meet but exceed expectations. So when you choose a Banshee battery for your motorcycle, you're not just choosing a battery, you're choosing years of worry-free rides. Remember, a good warranty doesn't just protect your battery, it protects your peace of mind. Choose Banshee Batteries, where quality meets an unmatched warranty. It's not a battery, it's a Banshee. Thank you for watching, and here's to many more miles of joyful riding.